To set your initial pay rate on Indeed Flex, first, log into the Indeed Flex app or website. Next, browse available shifts by location, time, and type, such as delivery or warehouse work. When you find a shift you're interested in, you'll be prompted to propose a rate, usually hourly or per shift. The platform often provides a suggested rate range based on market averages. When deciding on your rate, consider factors like transportation costs, the time commitment, the skill level required for the job, and the current market demand. Aim for a rate that covers your expenses and provides a profit, benchmarking against local gig economy minimums. Once you've set your rate, submit your proposal. Employers can then accept, counteroffer, or decline your bid. In mid-2024, Indeed introduced an AI-driven tool that analyzes market demand, location-specific data, and worker profiles to suggest optimal pay rates for shifts. This helps workers set competitive rates without underpricing their labor. By 2025, this feature has become mandatory for new users, with 85% of active workers reporting improved earnings consistency. Indeed Flex allows you to update your shift rate even after you've claimed a shift. Use the Edit Rate feature in the app to adjust your rate, potentially increasing it if conditions change, such as unexpected traffic delays. Note that updates require justification and are subject to employer approval. Keep in mind, workers can now update shift rates in real time up to 24 hours before a shift starts, responding to supply-demand fluctuations. This replaced the previous static bidding system, allowing adjustments based on live data like weather or event surges. Your final earnings are calculated as hourly rate at hours worked plus bonuses, tips, minus platform fees, which are typically 10 to 15%. Payouts are usually received via direct deposit within 1 to 2 days after the shift. Make sure your rates are fair and non-discriminatory, and track your earnings history to optimize future proposals.